Earlier this year, I met physics professor Dr. David Wright. I love him. He had become a viral sensation for his crazy cool classroom experiments. Here he is teaching me and my panel Newton's first law of motion.
Called the law of inertia.
Okay.
Now, you've seen people take the tablecloth and pull it out from underneath the dishes. It's like a magic.
Like magic.
But it's not magic, it's physics!
I thought inertia was something I could catch.
That's like an STD. Kind of.
I had it once.
Here's a cream. You're fine.
So the law of inertia says that objects at rest stay at rest. Unless they're acted upon by some outside force.
Okay.
In this case, the outside force is the tablecloth, but it's fairly smooth, so the force is small. And if you pull it quickly, you must pull it quickly, because then you have a small force for a short period of time, and it works.
Okay.
So here's a trick. You've got to take this tablecloth and take your palms down. Otherwise, you might pull it like this. That would not work.
Down.
So get your
palms
do this
down.
one at a time. Now get a little practice here. Don't pull it yet.
Okay.
All right. You step back far enough so you pull your hands back like this.
Oh, you have room.
Poof.
Yeah.
You got it.
Got it.
Straight back. All right, so you know I love some fun experiments, so I asked Professor Wright if he'd zoom in so we can test out some more theories. Y'all ready? All right. Hello.
Oh, good to see you.
It's so good to see you as well, Professor Wright. Thank you so much for joining us again.
It's a pleasure to be here. It's exciting to be on physics on TV.
Yes, it is. I love your yellow wall, by the way. I love anything yellow.
Oh,
Here
thank
with
you,
your
thank you.
sunflowers. So you have a new experiment for me, right? What theory are we testing?
We're testing buoyancy today. Do
Okay.
things sink or do things float? Now,
Okay.
the problem is, a 100,000-ton aircraft carrier floats. A penny sinks. It's not about the weight. It's about something called density. So
Okay.
density is the mass divided by the volume. So, for example, pieces of granite, big piece and a little piece. This one has 8 times the mass of this one, weighs 8 times as much, also has 8 times the volume, has the same density.
Okay.
Density is all about the stuff things are made out of.
Mm-hmm.
Stuff things made out of. Things that are more dense than water are going to sink.
Okay.
Things that are less dense than water, like this foam ball here, they're going to float. And rocks are going to sink. In fact, they sink like a rock.
Yeah, ha ha ha.
So your task, I'm going to give you 6 different items to guess. Will they sink or will they float? Are they more dense than water or are they less dense than water?
Okay.
Thing to keep in mind is this. This is not easy. A lot of physicists will get some of these wrong. So if you miss 1 or 2.
Here's the thing. I am fine with looking stupid, Dr. Wright, so you're good.
All right. Let's start off with a tomato.
A tomato.
Is it going to sink or is it going to float?
I feel like a tomato is going to sink.
Let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it did. Oh, shoot.
Oh, no. It came back up.
Shoot.
All right. Now, how about a diet soda?
Wait, is the can closed and the soda's still in it?
Doing a diet soda.
I'm gonna say it floats just because I've been at the lake and I've seen things float.
Yes, indeed.
There you go.
Now, here's the trick. Here's the sugar soda. And the sugar soda sinks to the bottom.
Oh, that's so
It's
bad.
got all of that sugar dissolved in it. And
it
so even though the can is the same size and there's 12 fluid ounces in both cans, it's got like 40 grams of sugar dissolved in it. So it sinks.
Wow.
So you're doing pretty good.
Tell us something about when we're drinking it, shouldn't it?
Yeah. You can. Now, you ever do bobbing for apples?
Yes. Oh, this is gonna totally float.
Oh, very nice. Yay.
Yes. I was like, I've been to an Oktober festival thing. That's what they
You know how that works. All right. Now, this is a navel orange that's been peeled. Is it going to sink or is it going to float?
Huh. I'm going to say it's going to sink because it's all the water. It's going to go into it, right? And then it's going to be heavier?
All right. So let's see. And it does indeed sink to the bottom. You're doing really well.
Well, wait. If you would have kept the peel on, would it have floated?
I just happen to have one with the peel on. And
Okay, I was going to say that's going to float, isn't it? Interesting.
because it peels like a life jacket.
Oh.
It's this piece of the peel, and the peel floats have a lot of air mixed in with it because it's not very dense at all. It's like putting on a personal flotation device for the orange.
Yeah. Wow. Man, science is so cool. I love this. Well, thank you so much, Professor Wright.